was registered then, 2014. Let's say 14.
I think it's 08 or 11 maybe.
Oh, it's definitely an 11. 10, 11. I see it now.
That was because of code enforcement though.
Oh, really?
To have it at the house?
Yeah.
This shit.
Dude, this thing ain't ran since, I think it was 08.
It's taking on water, dude.
Yeah, dude, I'm surprised it ain't even like sunk a little bit.
Whole ocean spray rig.
Dude, you're fucking ready for the deep sea now. What the hell is this for? What, you can put some accessories back there?
There's little things that go on here. They were in that recycling.
Like saddlebags?
They're like, they clip into this and go over this, and you put wakeboards in it.
Oh shit, okay.
It's a wake edition. It's made for wakeboarding.
Oh fuck, it's totally made for wakeboarding. What the fuck?
What is that?
It's for a budget rope.
It's a fucking wake edition, bro.
Yeah.
She was sinking, Dan. That's the only one it's coming out of?
Put it back in, but look. That was it.
That's exactly what it's coming into. Man, we almost sunk this son of a bitch, Dan.
Almost sunk the boat.
You ain't got a hook.
Woo. Hey, y'all ain't got no hose clamps or like a zip tie, do you?
I got tape and ratchet straps.
For the rescue. To the rescue. For the one.
Ranger. Damn, man, that cocksucker.
Hey, what the hell you got there? A ferret tail, dude?
A coontail.
Killing it. Lucky fucking coontail there.
The first day I bought it, I killed that thing.
Hell yeah. You had it on there ever since.
Oh, yeah.
That's tight. I'm gonna follow up, Dan. You need to go hang a squirrel tail from your shit.
That's a raccoon rig.
Yeah, well, you got a squirrel tail. You can take off that something.
Sure you don't need this?
Oh, I'm gonna need it back.
Oh, I don't know about all that.
But we can go ride that bitch. That bitch is custom fit to the Ranger. That should be good. Alright, tighten it up, see if it gets tight enough.
You gonna come party with the Mexicans with us?
Dude, that's... I don't know, man.
All I need is a 10 and a 5 and a pair of keys and a sober driver. BEERRUN. Beer run.
When's your check ride?
Monday now. It was supposed to be today.
Nope.
Too big?
Barely too big, dude. Was that all the way clamped down?
It stopped tightening there, yeah.
Fuck, dude, it's barely. Maybe we can snag a radiator hose or something.